Hi guys, and welcome to yet another very exciting Adobe Illustrator tutorial. And in this tutorial we are going to learn how to repeat things or make things in repetition, if that is the need of your project. So you are going to learn it in this video tutorial. So let's get started. For example, I want to repeat this tree along the road so that it covers the entire road of this city landscape. You can use it, for example, you created one window and you want to populate the whole building face with windows, then you do not need to create another one. Or you can use the technique like copy and paste that we learned in the previous tutorial. You can also use reflect and repeat and stuff like those. But this technique that I'm telling you, it not only repeats the stuff and makes another copy of it, but it does in the exact increments that you specify for it. And for a repetition work, it is much more easier than the tools that we have already learned in the transforming tool. So let's get started. For it, there does not, for a repetition or repeating transform, there does not, there is not a tool in here in the set. The move tool is, or the selection tool is for it used. If you have not selected it, select it, and then select the object that you want to repeat. For example, you might want to repeat the building. I just want to repeat this tree along the whole road. And now enter or return key on the keyboard, and then it pop up its window. For example, I want to move this or make another copy of it here, or 30 pixels to the to the right, like that. Now I'm happy with that position. I'm gonna click on the copy. If I click on OK, it's gonna move this one to here. I just don't want this one to move here. I want it to be repeated. Okay, like that, another copy has been created. Now I can do the same thing again and again, opening that window, but it takes a little bit of time, a little bit more clicks. So in editing and graphic design thing, you always need to reduce your workload, even if it comes to seconds in milliseconds. To repeat it and again in the same scale and same position, same direction also, you need to go to the object menu here and then come here to transform, and then click on this transform again. The keyboard shortcut for it is Ctrl D. As you can see, move, rotate, reflect and scale and shear tools, transforming tool, that which we already learned in the past couple of tutorials, are also listed here. You can use these, but we want to use the transform again at this time. As you can see, I clicked it again and a third copy is created. Now I'm gonna click on the keyboard Ctrl plus D to make copies of it, like this, like this. As you can see, this is so much easier and so much finer, and it increases your efficiency so much. As you can see, our road looks much more beautiful. That is being populated by tree alongside the wrong side that we have grown, and also it makes the environment cleaner for our visitors also, and totally transform our vector project. And it did not even took any effort. We do not need to calculate or set anything here. We just need to press Ctrl D on the keyboard. So that's how the repeating tool or repetition commands work in the Illustrator. Of course, it is called transform again, but it does the repetition work. So with that said, I take my leave from you guys and hope that you like this tutorial, and we will see each other in the next tutorial, hopefully.